Hey, let me show you how you can improve battery life on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. By the way, there's no like magic spell or some breaking features that will allow you to get like 5 or 8 additional days on the single charge, but you can actually turn off or turn on some features and that will definitely improve that life, the battery life. So what you have to do is just to start first from the Galaxy wearable application, go to the watch settings and start from adjusting notifications. By going to the app notifications, I can recommend you to turn off all of them that you are not using daily. Because every notification that will pop up on the watch, it will turn on the screen, it will keep synchronizing with the application using mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and basically it will drain your battery. So one by one, remove everything that you are not really need in the daily life. Now, we have to also remember about base features, like for example, the display settings. So we have to start by opening settings. Now go into sounds, into the display for sure, and make sure that you have adjusted the brightness up to your preferences. The best way it will be to lower that brightness, or for example, use the adaptive brightness. Next, it will be also good if you turn off the always on display and feature like rise wrist to wake up. And make sure that you change the screen timeout for like 15 seconds. Next, what we can also do, so we'll have to go into the power saving mode. We have to go back from this one, open the battery, and by going here we can simply turn on the power saving mode. And what it does, it just turns off all of those gestures, the Wi-Fi. It will also limit the CPU performance, background network usage and location, and synchronization, and it will also decrease brightness and the screen timeout. So that's something that I just show you, right? We can also limit health features, but we can also don't do this. So that's up to your preferences. And now when you turn it on, you will feel significant improvement of your battery life. Also, we can improve battery life by changing your watch face from the white one into the dark mode. So you can just go over here to the watch and pick, for example, this one or something like this. And also make sure that you are not using some kind of the live or animated watch faces.